How to create a stopwatch with the ability to start, stop, reset, and also record laps completed. First, we need to create a structure in HTML. Let's create the displayed areas. Create a stopwatch div. It will display the current time of the stopwatch. We will also create buttons that will call the appropriate functions to perform actions. We will also create div lap times. In JavaScript, let's create variables. The start time variable stores the start time when the stopwatch is started. The running variable tracks whether the stopwatch is currently running. The elapsed variable tracks the elapsed time when the stopwatch is running. We also implement functions. The markLap function records the current elapsed time as a lap time and displays it. The start stopwatch function starts the stopwatch by recording the start time and updating the display. The stopwatch function stops the stopwatch and clears the update interval. The reset stopwatch function stops the stopwatch, resets the elapsed time, and updates the display. The update stopwatch function updates the stopwatch display with the current elapsed time. The format time function formats the elapsed time into a human-readable format. As a result, we got a stopwatch using JavaScript.